earlier in a training, there was reference to test company and it had a logo that wasn't the company. Let's talk about how you put your customized company information into your Smart Tech app. Come over here to settings, right here on this red toolbar, the little white gears. Click on it. Upper left, you've got a whole lot of things in here you'll learn, but upper left is portal branding. Let's open that up. Let's change the company to, let's call it Williams Heating and Cooling Services, whatever you want to name it there. You can put a registration number, you can put your tax regulation number, bank name, etc. You can put your address. Right now, we're not going to do that. And you can add a logo. And if you do, excuse me, you're going to go through here and find a logo in here that works. I'm going to take one that's not, there's no such thing as Williams. I'm just going to take a small Purely Air Movement. It's an ion system that our company offers as well. Hit choose. It says that it's in there. Now, what you want to do is you want to hit submit. If you don't hit submit, it's not going to take. And you'll see that it's there now, and it changed that, and you're good to go. Now, anytime you do a diagnostics report, you're going to have this new name and this new brand. Of course, it would be your company name and your company brand on it.